This video is going to show you how to post semester 1 grades in PowerTeacher Gradebook. First thing you need to do is make sure you log into PowerTeacher. Once you do, you'll go ahead and launch the gradebook. I like to use the quick launch button right here. Once you're in the gradebook, first make sure to select the correct year that you're working in. I like to select the full 2013-2014 for this school year. Shows all the courses I have for that whole school year. I'm going to choose one class, number 3. Next thing I need to do is change the reporting term. I typically like to view the full year reporting term to see all grades and all assignments. Right now, we're going to be submitting the semester 1 grades, so I cannot be in the full year. I need to choose S1 for semester 1. You'll notice this spot right here says semester 1 in progress. What you need to do is make sure that all your grades are typed in. You have all assignments that you want in to count. One thing to note is that if there is not a score for a student, then this does not influence their grades. Right now, this score, since there's a lack of a score, this assignment does not influence their overall grade, which is listed right here for semester 1. If I type in 10 points right there, you'll see that their grade for the semester 1 dropped. So make sure all grades are ready, all assignments are in. If you need to, see the video on how to add assignments and grades. Alright, so my gradebook is ready. I'm going to click Save. I am going to add some comments for the semester 1 report card. What I can do is I can right-click on their overall grade and do Show Score Inspector. You'll see this is reporting term semester 1 for this student. Here's where I can type my comments. I can say great attendance, works well with others. Here's where I can also do a manual override. This person has 85%, a B. I'm not going to do a manual override for that. I can either close this box. You'll notice the C there means I have a comment for this semester 1 grade. I'm going to open up that score inspector again. What I can also do is just leave this window open and I can click on the next student's semester 1 grade, final grade, and it will change to them. Now I'm on this next student. The student has a 69%, which is right now a no credit at our school. So I'm going to click on manual override. Let's just say I want to round it up. I can. I'm going to click into percent and I'm going to adjust the percent. And I'm also going to adjust the grade. You should adjust both, because if I just change the grade and not the percent, that's a little misleading and confusing. So change the percent and the grade. Then you can also make a comment. At our school, we always post comments for students who receive a no credit. I'd encourage you to post comments for as many students as you can. Positive comments as well as comments reflecting why they're doing poorly. This student, let's say, poor performance on tests. Once you're all done, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. You'll notice here that this student has a comment. They have a C for the final grade, but they also have this red exclamation mark. That means I did a manual override. And you can also see here that this manually overridden grade is in bold and italics, whereas the student that has not been overridden for their grade is just in normal font. Make sure I click Save. That was just actually preparing my gradebook, doing any overrides, any comments, any adjustments like that. To actually post the grade is the most important step. Right here it's where it says semester 1 in progress. Click on that and then check the box in the window that pops up that says final grades complete. Check the box. You don't need to put comments here. This is actually just for the administrator like me to view these comments when you submit grades, but I don't even read them. Go ahead and say OK. You'll notice that this box now says semester 1 grades complete. It's got a check. It's nice and green. It's pretty obvious that you've done it. What you need to do now is, so you finished the grades for this class. What you need to do now is go to all your other classes and do the exact same thing. Make sure you do that final step of checking this box, clicking on that box, and checking the final grades complete. Say OK. Once you've done that and you've done all your classes, you have finished submitting semester 1 grades. Congratulations. What I always encourage you to do is after submitting grades, I like to change my reporting term for all the classes back to Y1 for the full year. Notice this one says Y1 in progress. It is not green. It does not have a checkbox because I have not submitted grades for it. That's okay because the year is not done. But enjoy being done with your semester 1 grades and enjoy the rest of the year.